Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. I hope all of you will be fine. My name is Miss Ba and I am going to discuss with you the summer task of class 7. Here is the introduction of your summer task. We divide your summer task into parts like your book. First one is geography and second one is history. Here is your first worksheet from your chapter number 1, Geography of the Muslim World. Geography means the study of the earth and Muslim world mean those countries whose government have declared that they are the Islamic State. For example, Saudi Arabia and Iran. Getting? Now, the question is this, that what we will study in this chapter. We will study about the physical features. Physical features mean like mountain, lakes, desert, fertile land, etc. And in Muslim world we have the different type of physical features. We have huge range mountains, we have desert also, and also the fertile land. So we will read all the physical features of Muslim world in this chapter, and for this purpose we have also 3 maps. From the help of the map we can understand easily about our task. Now, your question number 1. Fill in the blanks of worksheet 1. You have 4 blanks here and you can fill these blanks with the help of the map. Question number 2. Match the column. You can match this column very easily with the help of the graph which you have on page 1. Question number 3. Choose the correct answer. You have 4 answers for one statement, but you choose one which one is right, and you can do this with the help of the reading of your chapter number 1. Define the following as I defined for you the Muslim word. Same like this, you can define the Islam. Islam is a religion and Islam is our religion, so you can write about Islam easily. Coniferous forest, oasis, temperate rainforest. You can fill these terms with the help of the reading of chapter 1. Answer these questions. Where are Muslim countries located? You can do this with the help of the map. Name some countries of the world which are not Islamic but Muslim live in great number. You can also do with the help of your chapter number 1. What are the fertile areas of Muslim world? You can do this with the help of the map 3 on page 3. Which part of Muslim world consists of hot desert? So you can answer it with the help of the reading of chapter 1. Why nothing grows in the desert except shrub? You know that in desert we have no the comfortable life and we are not have the vegetation in the desert. So you have to explain this answer. Do you know about the life and occupation of people living in the desert? As we know that the life is not very comfortable in the desert, but what kind of occupation people having, those are living there. Name the mountain range in the Muslim world. You can write the answer of this question by the help of the last paragraph in page 1. What similarities and differences you have find among the Muslim for Islamic countries? What is the reason of differences? We have some similarities being a Muslim, but some differences according to our culture and tradition. So you have to explain in this question. Here is your worksheet 2. Worksheet 2 is from climatic region of the Muslim world. As we know that climate play a very important role in our life and climate affect our lives. We manage our thing, we manage our work according to our climatic region. So we are talking about in this book about the Muslim world. We have to read the different climatic region which belong to Muslim world, like the desert, semi-desert, tropical grassland, tropical forest, monsoon, temperate desert, Mediterranean climate. All these type of climatic region we have to study in this chapter, because climate has a great effect on us and we have to study, we have to discuss that what kind of effect a desert have, how people survive there, what kind of occupation they have, what kind of vegetation we have there, and the rainfall. Rainfall is very important factor in any climatic region, because rain play very important role to change the climate. So we discuss all the different type of climatic region in this chapter. Now move to the worksheet. Define the following term: temperate grassland, monsoon, temperate desert, tropical grassland, and tropical forest. You can do this question very easily because you have a complete material about these terms in your chapter number 2. Next question, fill in the blanks with correct answer. The Sahara Desert is make up of dash of total desert area of the world. You have to select one answer and also write in the blank. And you can fill this question with the help of the reading. Question number 3, what is the Mediterranean climate? You can fill this answer. You can solve this answer with the help of the page 6. And part B, what do you know about the Vestry depression? You can find the answer of this question on page 9. Now match the column. Very easy question, that you have to match the location of a desert. Means that Dasht-e-Lut is in Iran. Last question of this worksheet, differentiate between the desert and the semi-desert. You can get the answer of this question on the very first page of chapter 2. And here your 2 worksheet of social study work is completed. In the end, do your work in very neat form and try to learn it. You have any difficulty in this task, you can consult, you can contact with us in your groups. Wish you all the very best. Take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.